What's his name?
Bali.
Nombre.
Coco.
Coco. Hey, oh, beautiful. You pay a lot for Coco? Coco, does he likes you?
Yeah.
Could I touch him? No. He won't bite me if I touch him?
Yeah.
Hey, Coco.
Camo.
Stingray Steve here. Oh, no, he don't want me to.
Yeah.
He likes mommy. He don't fly away?
Yeah.
So how come he's... Oh, you cut his wings. Coco got mad.
Yeah.
Coco Loco.
Coco Loco.
Yeah, I'll have more.
As Coco,
It's baby.
he's a male?
It's baby.
How much does a parrot like that cost? A lot, right?
500.
Yeah.
Sa
Ay,
Yan, sa akin.
papaya.
Coco. Sounds like a parakeet. Is he a parakeet? No.
Loro. Loro?
Ito na si...
Steven,
Zoom loro. Zoom?
Yes.
ask her if what kind of parrot?
Yeah, I'd like to know what it is.
Say it in Spanish.
Oh,
You can sell these for about 50.
¿Cuál pajarito es?
Yeah, but how long?
El loro del sol.
El oro del sol. She says
Loro.
loro.
Loro del sol. Se llama así.
She said it's a sun. What is it?
It's beautiful. I've never seen one like that color. Does he like your boyfriend?
These are 30.
Does he mucho? Does he like a no me gusta? Or-
Yeah.
Oh, he likes a boyfriend. Does he talk?
It'll stand
Oh, a
out.
sun conure.
Baby.
Yeah, Sunconia.
Yeah, that's the first time I've heard about this.
Dile que es un bebé. De 3
Oh,
meses.
she says it's a baby. De
3 meses.
3 months.
Oh, does he poop on you? Sometimes.
A veces.
Yeah.
Oh, she knows
Coco,
some,
don't
that's
poop
good.
on mommy. Don't poop. Look. Coco, Coco,
Yeah. Well, that's what
The reason it's so good is it says
Coco. Are you a good boy? Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Coco,
Coco.
say something.
Say,
It's like, he really wanted it, huh?
He
Say
likes
hello.
mommy.
Hello.
hello.
Coco.
Say something.
No hablan.
No habla nada?
Todavía no hablan.
I hate holding something
Nah,
because they
yeah,
don't...
And this is Jenny and Coco.
¿Cuáles frases? You
I
know?
wouldn't worry about it, buddy.
Be great.
Coco. He's gonna make a nest with your hair.
Oh,
I want to make sure. So where am I at?
Yeah.
well. Anyway.